Hello, welcome to the Mark Janot Show, the cybersecurity show. Let's talk about this big Discord hacking event that happened. It seems like there was some hacking on a Discord server. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So just this weekend, hackers targeted federal social networks like Mastodon to carry out ongoing spam attacks that were organized on Discord and conducted using Discord applications. But Discord has yet to remove the server where the attacks were facilitated, and Mastodon community leaders have been unable to reach anyone at the company. So we have a statement, and the statement reads, "The attacks were coordinated through Discord and the software was distributed through Discord," said Emilia Smith, who is a software engineer who regularly works on trust and safety issues in the Fediverse, a network of decentralized social platforms built on ActivityPub protocol. We have another statement, and the statement reads, they were using bots that integrated directly with Discord, such that a user didn't even need to set up any servers or anything like that, because they could just run this bot directly from Discord in order to carry out the attack. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Smith attempted to contact Discord through official channels on February 17th, but still hasn't received form responses. It was told to TechCrunch that while Discord has mechanisms for reporting individual users or messages, it lacks a clear way to report whole servers, right? And we have a statement, and the statement reads, "We've seen this costing server admins of Mastodon, Misskey, and others of hundreds or thousands of dollars in infrastructure cost and overall denial of service." Smith wrote to Discord, Trust and Safety, in an email that was viewed by TechCrunch. The only common link seems to be this Discord server. In a statement that told to TechCrunch, a Discord spokesperson said, "Discord's terms of service specifically prohibit platform abuse, which refers to activities that disrupt or alter the experience of Discord users, including spam or sending unsolicited bulk messages or interactions." Though Discord says it is monitoring the situation, the server responsible for the spam attacks remains online. Could you imagine that? Mastodon founder and CEO Eugene said in a post that these attacks are more difficult to moderate than past ones because they deliberately target smaller servers, which often have fewer moderation tools in place. Some of these servers offer open registration, making it possible to quickly start new accounts and post spam. And as Smith notes, these mass spam attacks can drive up server costs, leaving admins with an unexpected amount of bills. According to reports of Mastodon, this fully automated attack was sparked by a conflict between teenagers on two different Japanese language Discord servers. We have a statement, and it reads, "It's this sort of weird social behavior where these kids are essentially acting like schoolyard bullies," Smith told TechCrunch. She thinks that they carried out the attack simply to show that they can, not because they have any ill will toward these social networks. Another statement, and it reads, "They've got technological capabilities that are well above where they are emotionally or psychologically," she said. Kevin, a cybersecurity expert, posted on Mastodon that this incident recalls a similar yet much larger attack from 2016 in which 3 college kids created a botnet to make money on Minecraft. But what they built was so powerful that it was able to take down huge swaths of the internet, including sites like Reddit and Spotify. Could you imagine that? So that's what I have for you today. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please share this content. Please hit the notification bell also so you know when I am releasing new videos. I appreciate your viewership and see you in the next video.